Hi there, it's Amanda with WTI, and today I'm going to show you one of the thermal heat protector sprays that I like to use for my hair. This is the KERASTASE Genesis Blow Dry Primer Heat Protectant for weak or damaged hair. My hair is actually very dry and it can break easily, so that's why I really like this spray because I feel that it strengthens my hair, nourishes my hair, and at the same time protects it from the heat when blow drying. To use it, what I do is that after tangling my hair, I apply a little bit in parts and then I blow dry my hair, and as a result my hair is super shiny, moisturized, and feels really strong. So if you're looking for a heat protectant spray that moisturizes and strengthens the hair, this one is perfect. This is the Kerastase Genesis Blow Dry Primer Heat Protectant for weak or damaged hair. I love this so much. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.